In previous video classes, we have discussed about the quantifiers. So, which are the quantifiers for which we call as the quantifiers? So, quantifiers are the phrases which quantifies the objects. For example, they exist for every, for some, many, all. So, these are called as the quantifiers, and they are classified into two types. One is existence quantifier, another one is universal quantifier. So, for which we call as an universal quantifier means for every, for all. So they are called as the universal quantifier. So next, existence quantifiers means so they exist for some of means limited. So they are called as the existence quantifiers. So next we come to that is the negation of the quantifiers. So negation of the quantifier means what? So if we have that is for all x plus 2 is greater than or 0, greater than or equal to 0. For all it is there. For all x belongs to the z, so x plus 2 is greater than 0. So negation of the for all it becomes so for some, so there exist. So for negation of these for all x belongs to z, x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0, greater than or negation of this. So for all becomes some, there exist x belongs to z, so that x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. There exists an x which for which so x plus 2 is greater. That is the negation of the quantifier for all. For all is there 3. There exists other 3. There exists other 3 for all. So that is the negation of the quantifiers. So let me see that is the negation of the quantifiers. The negation of a quantifier statement is obtained by changing the quantifiers from universal to existential and vice versa is called as a negation of, so that is the quantifier. For example, if we have there exists some, so we'll take an example that if we have that is negation of for all x belongs to x such that p of x is any conditional, it is a statement, so which we call as an open sentence, which we have that is open sentence and negation for all is there 3 equivalence relation. So there exists x such that p of x. So this is equivalence. So for all is there negation, there exists. So next negation of there exists there exists x for open sentence p of x is equivalent to the P of x. So this is a conversion of, that is a negation of the state. So next we see the examples, or we find out the truth value of this. Truth value of this. So, and also here negation of this. So is equal to, here we'll get that is negation. Negation of the open statement we have to do. Negation of the open sentence. So this is about the negation of the quantifiers. So next we move to, that is the example. Find the truth value of Find the value of truth value of, first examples, find the truth value of there exists x belongs to s such that x plus 2 is greater than 5. So s is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to find out the for which this condition is true. Idu yaವಾಗ true ಐತಿ ಅದನ್ನು search ಮಾಡು. For what value of x which is belongs to this condition is true, that we have to search. So let me consider s is given, that is s is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and x belongs to s ದಾಗ ಐತಿ. Then what we have to search for this, we have to search. So if x belongs to s, we have to take any value of x, yes or no. So which value for this? If x is equal to 4, x equal to 4 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. So in the x plus, so 4 plus 2 is equal to what we get? 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 is greater than 5 or not? So it is. Therefore, for x is equal to 4, x plus which is belongs to s, x plus 2 is greater than 5. Greater than 5 is true. So they are completes. So next we move to the another example. So this is a true, we got that. For what value we got the true? X equal to 4 we got, that is x plus, so 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 is greater than 5 or not? So hence it is correct. So if you take another value, 1 plus 2, 3 is greater than 5? No, it is false. So for remaining value it is false. But what we have to find? Find the truth value of this. So which we have to find out the truth. So remaining for all it is false. It is true only one, x is equal to 4. Next we find out that is the negate. Second example, negate the given quantifier there exists x such that p of x and q of x. Nodri, there exist is there. What is the negation of there exist? So that we have to find out. So first, negation of there exist x such that p of x and q of x. So negation of there exists ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ್ರಿ ನೆಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ negation of their exist for all x. Idradu negation of p of x and q of x. So we know the De Morgan's law. Negation of p and q with andre enagutte, that is negation of p or negation of q. De Morgan's law, by the De Morgan's law, for all x, that is negation of p of x or negation of q of x. So this is the negation of the given statement, given quantifier. So next we move to, that is the third example. Negate third example. Negate all odd numbers, all odd numbers are not prime, are not prime number, are not prime numbers, and some prime numbers are even, some prime numbers are even. So we have to give, they have given, we have to negate all odd numbers are not prime numbers. So first we have to identify the open sentence. Open sentence anna identify madbeku first. So that is for all, it is a universal quantifier. For all is a universal quantifier. First we identify, that is p of x statement. So that is odd numbers are prime. Odd numbers are prime. Odd numbers are prime. Next, q of x. Some prime numbers are even. Prime numbers are even. Now we have to create that for all x. So how it is exists, quantifier is given. So the given statement is like this. So given statement, what to handle? The given statement is handle first all, for all x. So odd number means p, odd number are prime number, but here what we have, not a prime number, means negation of p of x. So this is next. And means this, and some means so there exist. This is a symbol we are using for some, there exist. So q of x. So for some x, the q of x. So now we have to negate this. Idan ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ನಾವು negation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what is the negation of this? Negation of for all x, negation of p of x, and there exists x, q of x. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ negation of for all is there exist x such that negation of negation is a p itself. We have already known that negation of p is p itself. Properties or laws of, so laws of the mathematical logic. So negation of negation is p of x and becomes by D. Morgan's law. There exists for all x. So q of x means negation of q of x. So this is the negation of the given compound statement. So now we have to write that in a wordings. For all. There exists again. There exists a odd number. There exist odd numbers or prime numbers, and or for all means all prime numbers. All prime numbers are not even. All prime numbers are not even. All prime numbers are not even. In words, some odd numbers we can write that is some odd numbers. Idane bari notri wordings nege. So answer for this idane bari. There exist anbodri some numbers, some odd numbers, some odd numbers are prime numbers, or all prime numbers, all prime numbers negation prime numbers are even not even. All prime numbers are not even. So this completes it. Negate the following quantifiers. They have given there exists x such that p of x or q of x conditional negation of q of x. So here we have to know that properties of the logarithm. So that is the mathematical laws of logic. So that is negation of p conditional q. In particular p or negation of q. That is negation of p conditional q is p and negation of q. So that we have studied in the properties of the laws of logic. We need that. So here first we will take that. This is one and this is another one. And here we need that is a negation p is equal to p itself. And negation of p or q. Negation of p or q and negation of p and negation of q. And also we have to know about the law of absorption. That is. So first we negate that solution for this. Negation of there exists x, so such that p of x or q of x conditional negation of q or x. So this. So negation inside move madri there exists iddu ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ for all, it implies for all x. So ಮುಂದಿದ್ದು negation of the conditionals, negation of this p of x or q of x conditional negation of q of x, negation of q of x. So now move inside for all x, negation inside totally ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ negation of, it is p conditional, this is q. What we have the first statement, that is p or p of x or q of x and negation q of x by this term. Negation of p conditional q andre p and negation of q. So this is a p conditional q. So p and negation of q. So negation of q andre, so that is p. Or for all x belongs to p of x or q of x and negation of, that is q of x. Q of x. Q of x. So we have already known the law of absorption. Law of absorption. P and p or q. P and p or q. P and p or q andre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So that will become a p only. P and p or q, that it will become the p itself only. Law of absorption. P and q. P and p or q is a p itself. P and p or q is equal to p itself. So which we call it as a laws of logic. Laws of logic. By the laws of. So here what we have, it is p